I'm done with cryptocurrencies, especially our old coins and XRP, if they don't set new all-time highs this summer. Guys, I don't know. It looks like they will, though. How come this huge news is just now coming out? Just a few hours ago, Ripple via SEC filed a Ripple note with a notice of supplemental authority about Terraform Labs' consent ruling. What does this really mean, okay? In the end, the case is almost over. It looks like it fits in just right with what's alt season in today's movie. As we all know, this is alt season. The one thing I'm asking for are red alerts so that market makers can pump our altcoins, right? To pump Bitcoin to pump everything, guys, right? Even stocks before something bad happens, like a black zone event. Now, this warning is meant to convince Judge Torres that the SEC's penalty request in the Ripple case is too high, especially when compared to the penalties in the Terraform case, which has more serious accusations and bigger losses for investors. What a surprise. Ripple wants a more appropriate punishment based on precedent and proportionality, guys. Take a look at this. The court should turn down the SEC's unfair and unprecedented requests, and a civil penalty of no more than $10 million would be proper. Just right, or guys, please let it all rise. I mean, what else is there to say? What else can I do? Because I know for sure that this isn't business advice. Please use video because I'm going crazy. Guys, the recession is coming soon. It's almost here. Now, this next like up is likely to be the last one that XRP has to do here, right? It seems odd that all of this is being talked about in the bell when it's about to happen. Right now, check out this last part. When the Federal Reserve cuts, guys, that means the bull market is almost over and the end of the slump is close at hand. The Fed did cut rates in July or August, though. August comes to mind. I don't know if the stock and cryptocurrency markets will reach their highest point in September, but if they do, it will be right after the fourth quarter recession. And that's when the Federal Reserve drops rates. Okay, and I think this was stocks. The stock market cut right here, stock market every time. As soon as the Federal Reserve starts cutting stocks, prices go nowhere but down. That's right, the Federal Reserve began cutting stocks right here. Make another high. Okay, so there's a wait that might happen once a month, right? We need to keep an eye out for that. And it will likely be the last step before a recession. Take a look, they began cutting right away, but it wasn't 2020, and it said how the blacks would react to events. They haven't cut yet. The markets usually keep going up when they hold, guys. Okay, guys, hold on tight. Marcus says to pump right or hike and hold. The market supposedly pump right, as you can see right here. Holding is great because the markets will keep going up, but when they start to do this, take a cut. Soon be right here. In the next few months, maybe in a few months, when they cut, guys, I'm out. That's exactly what I mean. Hopefully these damn altcoins can reach new highs by then. It looks like it's about to start because Breaking Roaring Kitty has bought 4 million more shares of GameStop. That brings his total position to about $300 million, guys. What does he know that everyone else doesn't? He posts all these crazy videos, movies, clips, and scenes of stupid things, right? Memes. You know what? They know something we don't. No matter what we do, the markets will go up. Okay, guys, this is from VanEck themselves. I need them to pop because I'm going crazy. A portfolio manager at VanEck and the head of research for digital assets makes big statements about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Take a close look at this, and you're making a case for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana that is too strong right now. From what I've learned, the official price goal for Bitcoin is $325,000, which is half of gold's market value. $325,000. What did I say? I thought it would be $325,000 by the end of the run. Not now, not soon, but maybe at the end of 2025 or the end of the cycle. Okay, here this soon we'll have a new study that includes the layer 2 opportunity. This should make the price target go up. The new news for ETH dropped $22,000 per coin today. We think that by 2030, the network will bring in $70 billion in free cash flow, 22,000 for each coin. Okay, now go ahead. Two people are way too pessimistic, 33 times as much. Then there was Solana. Our base case cost $300. Since we used a smaller market share number for Solana because of some technical debt, that base case is no longer valid. They've made a lot of progress since then. So don't believe that 3,000, 365, 22,000, and 3,000, and 3,000, and 3,000. Oh, you guys from 365. He said 22,000 and then 3,000. I said the exact same thing. It seems like they're copying what I do. Wait a minute. Why are these big organizations following my guess? Because I said for Solana, thousands of dollars. That's what we think will happen. End of cycle, everything goes up, guys. Is that clear? From a trustworthy cryptocurrency like Ethereum to at least $10,000 by the end of the cycle, and probably a lot more than that. I like $20,000 because it's close to Bitcoin's all-time high in 2017 and a good number to aim for after $10,000 is broken. How are we going to get there 100% of the time, guys? This is some money advice. But because of this, Ethereum spot ETFs are going to be released this or next month. Also, people are already anticipating that news because in the past 48 hours, 336,000 Ethereum worth $1.2 billion have been taken out of Coinbase. This is also the largest loss of Ethereum from Coinbase in 2024. The amount of Ethereum on platforms has already dropped to its lowest level in 8 years. Soon traders will be able to buy and sell Ethereum through exchange-traded funds, ETFs. 10,000 plus 10,000 plus Ethereum is just a matter of time. Yes, please pump it. I'm not sure, but please move it up. Now, Bitcoin is worth $100,000 and Ethereum is worth between $3,000 and $5,000. Okay, guys, Trustworthy Crypto thinks that's possible, but I don't think so. This is what I think will happen, guys. Okay, what is this? Is this the Ethereum US dollar? Like this. Okay, after that comes the black zone. Guys, we dump all the way back down. Okay, most likely get rid of these lows. Yes, then go higher. Guys, you have the right to die in 25. That's a crazy number. Who knows, right? But that's just what I think. This is bad for business, which is why the altcoin market is ready. Okay, XRP is in the same basket on this chart. Pay close attention. Here's a bad thing about money. The 2-week Gaussian channel turned from red to green again for the first time in almost 4 years. Build up, res, retest a parabola. I think this is just moving sideways before the big wave comes. Don't you see that I'm about to leave? My heart is beating fast and happy. Why? It's exactly following the cycle for 2021. This is the market for alternative coins besides Bitcoin. That means every coin that's not Ethereum or XRP Saran. Yes, this map has everything else. But on the chart, guys, right around the bottom, health support pump broke out, is holding support. So what's next, guys? You got it, guys. This last wave of this pump means I'm out, right? This fits in beautifully and properly, and it also makes sense when we look at the different metrics here. RSI and MACD, this. Guys, this was 2020 in the last cycle. Do you remember 2021? It helped support right here, and we can see the holding support again in the same place. Oh, there are trade bots right after it helps. It went up slowly at first, but then took off straight, so it will do the same thing slowly, maybe for a few more weeks, and then go off like this, guys. I'm ready. Guys, I'm really ready. Take a look at my arm. This is the MACD, I'm not sure. It's right where it was before. How? That's crazy, right? Then this is where our secret bullish divergences are, right? This is crazy. So this is from here, right? Look, this bullish divergence means that the price has hit bottom right before it starts to rise again. Yes, more power to the buyers because the difference is bullish and not bearish. Then here's the what if I told you the best is yet to come for all coins. No, not Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all there is, a sine wave. Every time, the only info we have is from the last cycle. The way we went up was like this, like this, like this, and like this, and like this. So the price went up like let me see. Guys, it just leveled off and then exploded because Bitcoin dropped right there and went up. What's likely to happen is something like this. That's a black zone event, guys, right? And then we go up in 2026, guys, right? That's what I believe. I don't know. What do you guys think? As you can see below, all of the coins are now bouncing hard off of their strong support. This means that the bullish trend will continue, right? Check this out. That looks like a flag, but I don't think it is. That's really what the goal is. 4 trillion, guys, 2 in all. That's right. I think that leaves out Bitcoin. That's interesting. So how about this? That's right? Yes, I believe that is a good idea. Thoughts? It fits with what I think. This person says that event is in a black zone. Take a look at these lows. I don't know. And we go up to 26. The only thing I know for sure is that charts and models will be broken before the crash. This is also for all of you, Quince. I'm so happy I don't know what to say next.